Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As I was talking in my last video, I had to do my 90-day reporting in Muang Thong Thani in Thailand, and I just finished it. It's noon time right now, and this is actually called Muang Thong Thani area. It's like a small town with a lot of halls for events like challenger events, like a big events. Even there is a stadium, I think, if I'm not wrong, so where you actually get to do like when big events like a concert, music function, all this happens are here. But the special part is that here you can do shopping. Here you can do shopping for all the brands. Okay, sorry, not all the brands, but some of the brands like Adidas, Nike, Topman, Under Armour, like most of the sports brand you think of are here, and their outlets are here. So as soon as the products get cleared off from their main showroom, it comes right here in Muang Thong Thani. Look at me, behind me there is Under Armour. Over there is Adidas. We're gonna go and take a look at those. But before, as I said, it's noon time and I'm very hungry. So let's go inside and find some food first and have some food, fill my stomach up, then let's go for shopping.
How does the food? This looks so delicious. They give a lot of chicken and rice with this.
Also, I forgot to mention, Thai food are always spicy and it's very spicy. Just perfect in the balance. But very spicy. I really need to go and buy a drink. So I'll catch you guys up as soon as I finish my lunch. I'm gonna take you to a tour around Muang Thong Thani. See you in a while. Alright, so that was a lot of food, spicy food, delicious food, and the best of all, the best reasonable pricing food that you can find here in the Cosmo Bazaar. So now is the time. Let's find out what can we buy from here, what kind of discount we can get, what kind of outlets are there. So I'm gonna go and take a walk and show you guys around how much discounts and which are the brands that are available here, so you can actually plan before coming here. Maybe you want a shoe for Adidas or Reebok, So you might wanna know your brands before you come here. So I'm gonna just walk through all the shops so that you can see the number of the brands, and if I like any of my brand here, I'll definitely enter and try on some shoes, because you know what, the price can't get any lower than this. It's 80% discount. Well, it's up to you. Let's go find out with me.
Alright, so we are on the shopping street. The first store I see here is the Sports Max. They have 30 to 80% discounts. They have all kinds of sportswear you can find. And the next we have here is the Adidas outlet. It's most of our favorite and my favorite too. You can get all the shoes like Ultra Boost, Pure Boost, all the kind of shoes that you like here at a cheaper price. Only catch is that you might not be able to get your shoe size right. But regardless of the fact, it's a first come first serve. So you come on time, you get your size. But anyways, I actually tried to go inside the store and show you guys, but the store manager has reported that this is against their rules, so I won't be able to go inside the store. So I'm just going to show you the brands that are available here. So there is one more. This one includes Esprit, OVS, Nello, Bossini, and Radley London. And when you see 80% discount, don't think it's just for now. It's always. It's 12 months in a row every year. You'll get the discounts.
So I've shown you guys all the brands that are available here. There are actually more than this. There is one more walk to another road that actually takes you to Reebok and some other brands. But I'm going to put up a list on the video so that you can actually check out all the brands that are available, and all the sale that you are seeing here. These are all 12 months a year, which means anytime you come, only catch is the quantity of the products available. So regardless of that fact, if you want to buy your next Ultra Boost shoe, by the way, I'm not sponsored by Adidas at all. So if you're going to buy your next shoe, then definitely try checking the Adidas store in Muang Thong Thani. They have a very good collections and or any other brand that you like. So as long as you get your size, just buy it. If you don't, then go to the mall. Simple as that. There's no harm trying here. So guys, that was all about it. That was all the brands that are available here, and the one that I haven't shown in the video, I'll definitely put it in the video so that you can find your favorite one. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the Adidas shoes because I love Adidas. I'm gonna go ahead and try to find the size for my fit. While doing that, I'll end the video right here. And if you guys have loved my videos or even liked it, please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already, and consider liking the video at the same time so that I can continue making more contents for you guys. And since I found this cheapest place to shop for your favorite brands, if you do find another place or any other place in Bangkok or Thailand where you can shop cheaper like this or lower than this, write down in the comment. I will definitely reply back to you, and I will consider visiting that place as well. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please take care. See you in the next video.